A big ugly hand? Where did he go? A big ugly hand, I got Workbook. I need your help.
Really? I can help you!
Thanks, big ugly hand.
Hello again. These are pages 8 and 9 in the Let's Go 4 workbook. And today we're going to be doing some phonics, and then after that there's a reading section. So let's get started with the phonics. These were the sounds from the student book.
CH, ch, chicken, cheese, chocolate. SH, sh, sheep, shorts, shirt.
The instructions just say match, so we're going to match the picture to the word to the sound. And the sounds are sh, sh, and ch, ch. Let's do some matching. This is a chicken, so down to the chicken we go. And chicken is cha-cha chicken, cha-cha-cha, CH. This is cheese, so matched cheese, and cheese has a cha-cha-cha sound, CH. This is chocolate, so up to chocolate, and chocolate starts with a cha-cha-cha sound, so CH again. This is a sheep, so go up to sheep. Sheep has a sha-sha-sha sound, so over to SH. These are shorts, so over to shorts. Shorts has a sha-sha-sha sound, so match it up to SH. And this is a shirt, shirt too, sha-sha-sha. And shirt has a SH sound. All right, and part A is all done. Okay, this is part B. It just says write. So we're gonna look at these words that we had up here and just write them in the right spot. SH words go here, CH words go here. Let's do SH first. Sha-sha sheep. Okay, the next SH word was shorts. Sha, or short, shorts. And the last one was shirt. Sha, shir, shirt. Okay. CH words. The first one here is chocolate. So let's write chocolate. Ch, chalk, choco, chocolate, chocolate. Cheese is next. Ch, chi, cheese. And chicken. Ch, chick, chicken. Done. Part B is done. Let's look at part C. Okay, this is part C. It's a reading passage, and the title of this passage is Camping with Sheep, which sounds fun. Okay, and yeah, let's read it first. There's one word to know, a new word down here, and it's hallo, which is hello in Icelandic. So here we go. Hallo, I'm Emma from Iceland. Today, my cousins and I are going to ride to the mountains. There they are. We're going to get our sheep. So they are sheep farmers. Then we're going to camp in the mountains. This is picture here. It's going to be cold. Yep, Iceland's a cold country. We need warm shirts and hats. That's a good idea because it's going to be cold. Next one's here. We have tents and sleeping bags. So there's their tents. Inside I can see the sleeping bags. We have flashlights and chocolate too. So they're gonna eat some chocolate, have a fire, play with the flashlights. The next morning. Camping with sheep is fun, but it's time to go home now. We're going to go fishing this afternoon. And he's surprised to wake up with a sheep in his face. All right, let's answer some questions. Okay, question number 1. Where are Emma and her cousins going? All right, so we're gonna search for Emma and her cousins and going, and we need to find a place. Hello, I'm Emma from Iceland. Today my cousins and I are going to ride to the mountains. Ah, okay. So Emma and her cousins can become they. All right, they are going. And let's look in that sentence for a place. The place is the mountains. So they are going to the mountains. Okay, number 2. How's the weather going to be? Okay, so we're going to look for weather in here. We're going to ride our sheep, then we're going to camp in the mountains. It's going to be cold. Oh, right there. That's the answer. It's going to be cold. How's the weather going to be? It's going to be cold. Yeah, they're going to be very high up in the mountains, so it's probably going to be very cold. Iceland is a cold country normally. At night, in the mountains, I'm going to guess it's going to be very, very cold. What do they need? Okay, so let's look for this keyword, need. If my son say my cousins are going to ride in the mountains, we're going to get our sheep, then we're going to camp in the mountains, it's going to be cold, we need warm, oh, there's need. We need warm shirts and hats. Perfect, that's what they need, because it's going to be cold. So we won't say we, we'll say they. What do they need? Well, they need warm shirts and hats. Because it's going to be so cold. And all done. Great job on pages 8 and 9.